CZMP प्लॅनमध्ये निलेश काब्राल यांची नेमकी भूमिका काय, तसंच सदर प्लॅन नव्यानं तयार न झाल्यास त्यांची नेमकी जबाबदारी काय असणार, असा प्रश्न रेजिनाल्ड यांनी विधानसभेत उपस्थित केला. याला उत्तर देताना काब्राल म्हणाले की राज्य सरकारनं यापूर्वीच CRZ प्राधिकरणाला प्लॅन बदलण्यासाठी लेखी पत्र पाठवलं असून CRZनं NCSMला सदर प्लॅन पुन्हा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी विनंती केली आहे. तसंच पर्यावरण खात्याला CRZ प्लॅनमध्ये कोणतीही घरे दाखवण्याचा अधिकार नसून केवळ हाय आणि लो टाईड लाईन, खाजण जमिनी आणि खारफुटीची झाडं दाखवण्यापुरतीच खात्याची जबाबदारी असल्याचं काब्राल यांनी स्पष्ट केलं.
I think on this question I would like to tell the Honorable Minister that he yesterday discussed and said that he will go around and take opinion. Speaker sir, I have also raised this issue that CZMP plan or rather CZMA is a constitutional body. Now I would like to know from the Minister what role exactly is his as far as this plan is concerned, because he says that we are going to do it, I am going to do it, we are going to do it or other. आणि फाल्यां तो प्लॅन येना जाल्यार तेगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितें, मीन्स आय वॉन्ट टू फिक्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आतां लेट हिम टेल एक्झॅक्टली वॉट इज गोइंग टू बी हिज रोल एज फार एज द CZMP plan is concerned.
Speaker sir, as we are all knowing that CRZ authority is a national authority. We are governed by 2011 CRZ regulation. And 2011 CRZ regulation I discussed the other day, I don't want to discuss again. Whatever is as per the regulation, it is a law, has to be done by the CRZ authority on behalf of the Environment Department of Government of Goa. Now when, as I said, there were objections, suggestions, changing, people made allegations, sand dunes, this, all that. This government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and I being the Environment Minister of this government had written to CRZ to change it. And they have sent the entire plan to NCSM to restudy. Now my colleague has asked me, what is your responsibility if the plan is not done? Speaker sir, I am again telling my colleague, because yesterday, again it has come on the papers today, that same agitators, those so-called whatever, are still asking the same question, and they are trying to disturb the fragmentation of the society by giving wrong knowledge to the people of Goa. And I thank him for asking me this. Speaker sir, our rule is very specific to CRZ 2011. It is not to show anybody's houses. And in the plan, we are not going to show any houses. I am telling again my colleagues, that is not our role. But yes, if the government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister desires, we will go to the exercise of creating a cadastral plan with houses of 1991. And we know under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, we will do it. We will find ways of means which the successive governments have not been finding. And under his leadership, we will go to the extent of going to whatever levels of getting plans, satellite images, whatever required to form the 2011, what people of Goa and what the NGOs are trying to show, that there is no cadastral plan, houses located as of 1991. I am making it again. That is not the role of the 2011 notification of the CRZ. We are supposed to mark the STL line, LTL line, hazardous line, these three lines. We are supposed to mark the sand dunes. We are supposed to mark the mangroves, we are supposed to mark the khazan lands, we are supposed to mark the salt pans, we are supposed to mark the archaeological sites of importance. So all what is in 2011 is the role that CRZ is going to do, Speaker sir. It is very clear. But under the leadership of Honorable CM, because there are apprehensions of 1991, which plan was not done when that was to be done, we will go, but that is a different exercise. And that will take some time. It will take another year or two for doing that. Which also, if colleagues from the House want to do, we will find means and ways of putting those houses on the plan of CRZ after notification. But in the CRZ plan, we will not show any houses, Speaker sir. I think I have cleared whatever you asked, Speaker sir.